My name is Doris and I am 93 years old, going on 94 come December the 8th. Well, I had osteoarthritis, and during that time I had pain, and it was hard for me to get up and walk immediately. Therefore, I would exercise and swing my knees back and forth for maybe 2 or 3 minutes on each side, and then get up and get going. And in spite of that, excuse me, I still had some pain. Suffered from a head-on collision on the freeway, and the dash came down and hit and cut my right knee. And I was using a crutch for maybe about a month, and it finally healed, but I did not have any broken bones. But I believe that contributed to my osteoarthritis in later years, because this happened when I was in my 30s. I try to eliminate stairs as much as I can, because going up was not difficult, but going down was very difficult due to the pressure. And even on a hill, it was easier for me to walk up the hill as opposed to going down the hill because of the pressure put upon my knees whenever I was going down. To do gardening or cleaning the floors, because the pain would be very severe. And I saw an orthopedic surgeon who gave me cortisone shots to eliminate the pain, but it was not successful. I had a heart condition, plus the fact that I was past 90 years of age. He decided that I was not a good risk. My daughter was friendly with Dr. Shea, and she said he does stem cells, so why don't you give stem cells a try, which I did, and it's helped me immensely. I think it took about 4 months, because that's when I felt the improvement, and I was doing much more than I was doing before the stem cells. Well, my pain was around 7, 8, 9, thereabouts. But after the stem cell surgery, I have not had any pain. Yes, I had a lot of popping on my right knee, which was injured during the car accident. But it subsided considerably since I've had the stem cells. They don't pop as often, or the right knee does not pop as often. So I have a very active lifestyle even to this day. Yeah, I don't walk the hill like 3 miles that I used to walk before, but that goes with the territory. I don't believe many people my age walk 3 miles a day. Well, it's like your hands are free. Say that you have broken wrists, broken arms, or whatever, you can't lift. Now I have, my whole body is workable. I recommend stem cells to my friends and relatives if they're having a problem with their knees or their arms or wherever. I recommend stem cells because you can regain your youth. By that I mean what you used to do many years ago, you can still do them at the age of 90 plus. It's amazing. Dr. Shea, thank you so much for taking care of me, and I am pain-free for the first time since I've had the surgery or the implantation, and I'm very, very happy and would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart.